Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel How to Tutorials. In this video, I will show you some simple ways to fix MoonPay not working on your phone or browser. So yes, let's get started. First, you need to make sure you have a stable internet connection. Try switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data to see if the app loads properly. Second, update the MoonPay app. Go to the Google Play Store or App Store and search for MoonPay. And check if there's an update for MoonPay. Outdated versions may cause login or payment issues. Third step is to clear cache or reinstall. For that, go to settings. Scroll down and find this option called apps and tap on it. Use the search icon at the top right and search MoonPay. Scroll down and go to storage. Here, tap clear cache. If you're on iPhone, just uninstall and reinstall the app to refresh everything. And sometimes the issue is not on your side. Visit MoonPay's official status page or their Twitter to see if their servers are down. And if you can log in but payments don't work, make sure your account is fully verified with ID and payment method. Incomplete verification can block transactions. And if nothing works, go to the MoonPay support from the app or website. For that, tap on this gear icon at the top right and tap on help. You can also provide your customer ID for faster help. And that's it. That's how you fix MoonPay not working. Check your internet, update or reinstall, verify your account and reach out to support if needed. If this video helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe for more crypto guides. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next one.